In 2024, YouTube creators are taking the concept of side hustles to a whole new level, exploring unexpected income streams that showcase their creativity and entrepreneurial spirit. This video dives into the fascinating world of unique side hustles that go beyond traditional ad revenue and sponsorships. From launching personalized merchandise lines to creating exclusive online courses, these creators are proving that the possibilities are endless. We'll also highlight innovative ventures like virtual meet and greets and subscription-based content that allow fans to connect with their favorite creators on a deeper level. As the digital landscape evolves, diversifying income has never been more crucial for creators looking to sustain their careers. By embracing these unconventional side hustles, they not only enhance their financial stability, but also inspire others to think outside the box. Join us as we explore these exciting opportunities and discover how creativity can lead to unexpected success in the world of YouTube. The rise of digital products. In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, creators are increasingly leveraging digital products as a lucrative side hustle. eBooks, online courses, and exclusive content are just a few examples of how these innovators are monetizing their expertise. For instance, a fitness vlogger might create a comprehensive workout guide, while a cooking channel could offer a series of recipe eBooks. The beauty of digital products lies in their potential for passive income. Once created, they can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Successful creators like Pat Flynn and Michelle Schroeder-Gardner have thrived by developing online courses and membership sites, turning their knowledge into profitable ventures. This approach not only diversifies their income streams, but also allows them to connect with their audience in meaningful ways. By embracing digital products, YouTube creators are not just enhancing their financial stability, they are also empowering their followers with valuable resources that enrich their lives. Merchandising madness. In the vibrant world of YouTube, creators are unleashing their creativity through quirky merchandise that resonates with their audiences. From custom socks featuring playful designs to quirky mugs adorned with inside jokes, these unique products are more than just items for sale. They are extensions of the creators' brands. Themed apparel, like hoodies with catchy phrases or graphics that reflect a creator's personality, allows fans to wear their support proudly. This connection between merchandise and branding is crucial, as it fosters a sense of community among followers. Take, for example, a popular gaming channel that launched a line of character-themed socks, quickly turning them into a bestseller. Similarly, a lifestyle vlogger created a series of whimsical mugs that became a staple in her fans' morning routines. By tapping into their unique styles and engaging with their audiences, these creators have transformed merchandise into a thriving business, proving that creativity knows no bounds. Affiliate marketing adventures. In the dynamic realm of YouTube, creators are creatively harnessing the power of affiliate marketing to boost their income while providing value to their audiences. By promoting niche products that align with their content, such as eco-friendly beauty items or specialized tech gadgets, these creators can effectively engage their followers. For instance, a travel vlogger might partner with a sustainable luggage brand, showcasing its features in an authentic travel review. Authenticity is key in these partnerships. Audiences can easily spot insincerity, so creators must genuinely believe in the products they promote. Successful campaigns, like a popular fitness influencer endorsing a line of protein powders, have generated significant income while building trust with their viewers. By sharing personal experiences and honest opinions, creators not only drive sales but also foster a loyal community. As affiliate marketing continues to evolve, these innovative strategies highlight the potential for creators to thrive while staying true to their brand and audience. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Crowdfunding and memberships. In the ever-changing landscape of content creation, many YouTube creators are turning to crowdfunding platforms like Patreon to secure a steady income while fostering a deeper connection with their communities. Crowdfunding offers creators the opportunity to receive direct support from their fans, allowing them to focus on producing high-quality content without the pressure of traditional ad revenue. Membership tiers provide fans with various levels of access, from exclusive behind-the-scenes content to personalized shoutouts and even one-on-one interactions. This tiered approach not only incentivizes support, but also enhances the sense of community among subscribers. Creators like Amanda Palmer and Lindsay Ellis have successfully built loyal subscriber bases by offering unique perks that resonate with their audiences. By leveraging crowdfunding and memberships, these creators not only generate income, but also cultivate a dedicated following that feels invested in their journey. This model empowers both creators and fans, creating a win-win situation that enriches the content creation experience. Consulting and coaching. In the evolving landscape of YouTube, many creators are tapping into their expertise by offering consulting services tailored to their niche. Whether it's a beauty guru providing personalized makeup tutorials or a financial expert guiding viewers on investment strategies, these creators are sharing valuable knowledge that resonates with their audience. The potential for high earnings through one-on-one coaching is significant, as fans are often willing to invest in personalized guidance from someone they trust. For example, a fitness influencer might offer tailored workout plans and nutrition advice, while a digital marketing expert could provide insights on growing an online presence. Creators like Marie Forleo and Ali Abdal have successfully monetized their knowledge by offering coaching sessions and workshops, turning their expertise into a thriving business model. By leveraging their unique skills and experiences, these creators not only enhance their income, but also empower their followers to achieve their goals, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.